What's up, guys? It's your boy Mario here with Team Profit Over Wages. We're really getting paid, not going through the phases, man. And today, I will be showing you guys how to drive some solo traffic to your done for you websites with $25 1 up so you can start earning commissions. That's right. You can start earning commissions with this method that I'm about to show you guys. It's a plain and simple method. If you don't know about solo ads, you will know about them by the time this video is over with. So, first I want to say, man, thank y'all for joining and watching. All of this stuff I'll be showing y'all is really, simple to make money online when you have somebody showing you how to do it. I didn't have all of this stuff, guys, so that's why I'm showing you all of the tools and resources that I didn't have, that I have, and that I used that actually work. So what you want to do is come over here to Udemy. I will put a link below. You can check it out. You get $5, a $5 discount once you go ahead and create your free account with Udemy. And you can use it towards the traffic that you get. Now, what are solo ads? Solo ads is basically someone, let me go up here. Let me click this right quick. You have people who have a huge email list, guys. You can buy clicks. And when I mean clicks, I mean like you could buy a certain amount of clicks for a price and have these people go directly to your website. So instead of you promoting to your family and friends on Facebook or Instagram, you could run solo ads to your opportunities. Now you can do this with any business. I do this with my traveling business also, and get some good results. And if you join me, I will show you, the person that I use. And if you are a part of my team, shoot me a message and I'll tell you exactly who I use when it comes to these solo ads, because it is some methods that you have to go about when it comes to picking your vendor. I call them vendors, guys. That's really what they are, because they providing you with some traffic and some good service. So what you want to do, guys, is go to Udemy. Like I said, be a link below. Create your free account. Get $5 once you go ahead and create that account towards your credit. And I know you see like 49 cents here. That's per click. The higher the click, the higher the cent is, the better quality leads you get. But I'm not going to say that you have to go spend a ton of money to get some good results. You could literally go to 40 cents, guys. 40 cents is the lowest. It gets to 40 cents per click, and people actually give you, you know, they give you a description on what type of list they have, what type of email list they have, and you just have to read it and what you want to do. Like this person, I wanted to run some ads with her, guys, but she rejected my order. She was like, it's not a good fit. So they will, if you go to like I said, a vendor, and you try to purchase some traffic, you send them, I'm going to show you guys exactly the whole setup, but they will not like take your order if they know like their list is not a part of your niche. So that's a good thing about this. I like Udemy. I just like Udemy when it comes to the traffic. So what you want to look is right here, the money sign and the percent beside it means the number of sales. Like she have a 57% sales rate. That is what you will want to look for, the sales rate. So let's click on her, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. How can you pick out some good quality vendors? So what you want to do is look for five comments that say they got sales. And if it takes forever for you to get it, don't buy with them, guys. You see that? Got sales June 5th. Next, got sales June 3rd. Good solo ad. Got sales May 20th. Like if it's constant, that means she has some good traffic. Look at this, sales. So this would be somebody you would want to buy your traffic from. That is what you want to look for, guys. If it says sales, if you would want to see how recent it was from somebody who went to them and got traffic, guys, and they actually got sales. So what you want to do, once you go ahead and create your account, guys, you come over to add text Now, you can create a swipe or you can just add a link. Now, swipe, we have over here, which I can show you in your members area. It's just like an email that they send out to their list. It has the subject line and the text, and you could say whatever you want, guys. I can show you one of mine, exactly what it says and everything. Or if you don't want to do that, guys, you can send people directly to your link, which is it's cool. As you see here, I got 80 clicks on one link, 54 on one link. It's just all depends on how you want to promote it. So let me show you what my swipe says. The subject line is that. You can copy this if you want. Start immediately. Make 300 to 700 weekly, full-time or part-time. Work on your own schedule, training, market tools, and support provided. Click here for instant access. Now, when they click here, guys, what you can actually do is highlight this and insert a link, which I told you guys in my last video on marketing that you want to send them to your funnel page, one of your capture pages, so you can collect their name, phone, and email. So what you would want to do is come down to this capture page, get your capture page, and insert it on your swipe, guys. Insert it here with your swipe. So they click that link, you get their information, and it goes to the presentation video, and then you can set everything up on autopilot. So if you want to, let me go over here to show you guys all of the subscribers and everything. You can see 300. Look at this, guys. Wait till my I don't know. There I go. Okay. 324 leads, guys, in 1 month. This I haven't even had this in a whole month yet. I just started this Aweber account. I just started this account, and some will unsubscribe. You know, some will unsubscribe. We have 6 today. I just ran some traffic today. I'm gonna show you guys exactly, everything. But and it's thundering. It's a storm outside. If you hear a little noise, but guys, 324 leads in under a month with this method. So let's go back to Udemy. Now I'm gonna go to one of the things that I got going on right now. I bought 100 clicks on Sunday. I bought it yesterday, but he started today. I bought 100 clicks for $43. Now, what you could do is what it allows you to do is to see your leads, where are they coming from, what type of phone they're using. You can see the results here. This is just amazing way to send your links to, guys, to send your opportunity, get them out there. Now, how do you buy your? I'm gonna show you exactly how do you buy everything, how you do everything when it comes to traffic. So let's say we're gonna go with her because she was a good example. We're gonna go with her. She's a good example. So let's just say you want to buy your links. You see here, you can move this up and down. For 200 visitors, it's $83. So you'll pay $83 to get 200 people to your website, which is not bad at all. But if you want 100 visitors, you'll pay $43 like I did, and then 125, 53. It all just, it just scales itself. 163 for 400 visitors. That is not bad, guys. You have to look at these prices and understand that it takes a little bit of investment to get people to your websites. It's also free methods, but I just want to show you this paid method that I actually do and get results from. So I'm gonna let my ad run, guys, and once it's done, I'm gonna come back with the results. I'm gonna come back with the number of accounts created and how much money we actually made. So hopefully, we get some good results from it. Now, I'm not saying I'm coming here and get sales right off the bat, which you can, because I have. A lot of people might just go ahead and join the opportunity. But that's why you need to have this autoresponder set up so you can send them, YouTube videos, explaining the opportunity, talking to them, and basically selling it through email. That would be one of the powerful ways also. But if you don't have an autoresponder, don't worry about it, because remember, $25 1UP has it in place for you already. I just wanted to, like I said, I wanted to customize my messages and keep track of my people in my list. So that's basically it, guys. You just come, select the amount of visitors you want, when you want them to start. You can mess with this a little bit. You have only mobile, no mobile, only top tier. You just pay a little bit more once you deal with it, but you really don't have to deal with that, guys. You just do the base filter. You can give them right here. It's a button you can click to let them start earlier than the schedule, which you want them to go ahead and get started on it, so you can go ahead and get those results in. Add to the cart, and once you add to the cart, guys, it'll ask for either a card you can put on file. I have a card I put on file, or you will have, some credit that's already with your account. Like you'll already have $5 in your account. Once you go ahead and create your free account, you'll have $5 waiting to use. And you can also use gift cards, anything that you want to use. You can use your PayPal. Woo, it's a storm going out there, guys. It caught me off guard. But basically, man, that's it. When it comes to the solo traffic ads, like I said, this is part one with $25 1UP. I did the same thing, guys, with my traveling business, and I showed them the results. I'm doing the same thing with you guys. And if you don't know about the traveling business, I haven't really been promoting it because you don't have to actually build a team. You can just get customers and still make a decent amount of income. But I'm finna start back building up a team with those individuals that want to help people save when they travel and get paid and actually get a crazy discount when it comes to traveling, because we are TSAs slash travel savings ambassadors. So that was this video. Make sure that you are sending people, guys, to your capture page. You don't want to send them straight to one of these presentation landing page. You don't want to send them to that. You want to send them to your capture page and go through all of your websites and see exactly what they're made out of, because I actually didn't know that they added a lot. They added a lot of different websites, guys, that you could use and get people to sign up with. So if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be making another video, a part 2, to show you the results. So click that bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop that video. But other than that, I am out, guys.